What's up YouTube, it's me again with another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make the portal effect. It's like similar to any of my other effects like the Doctor Strange port effect that I remember, so it's like not so similar, but it's pretty practical. If you want to enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm gonna use like kinemaster for this one, so let's go. For this one, I'm gonna go empty project for this one, guys. You go to empty project and you wanna start off by, let's see. Guys, forgot something here. Right over here, this is the original footage, guys. Here's the original footage. It's like me, like walking around like this, guys. So how can we put a portal in? So depends on your video, just cut it like this. Then just gonna be cutting like way like that. And then download the description for the portal, this one, guys. Download this in the description, guys. So for this one, I'm gonna do chroma key. Just do chroma key. Then I'm just gonna slide it like this. And what you're gonna do is like crop it a little bit until you get this. Richly perfect for the next scene, guys. Before I do that, click export, guys, and export the project. So just be really patient. Don't worry, guys, you can really like combine these videos into one video. So how can you do that? So export all of the projects that you see here. Okay, I'm already done with this. And next one is to actually go to another camera setting, guys, that we should talk about. It is right over this camera setting. Then I'm gonna be selecting is blue. Wait a minute. So I'm gonna be selecting is portal blue, guys. This one, this is portal blue. So okay, guys. So just go right here and just cut the remaining parts. Then for this, I'm gonna crop it somewhere here. And then what you're gonna do is grab another like footage, and here is my example. Here's my example footage, guys, of me like this. Of me like standing like this and said hi to the viewer. So how can I do that? So in order to go to cropping here and mask, so I'm gonna be masking into this. Wait a minute, sorry about that. So I'm gonna be matching it right over the portal, like say so, and go to crop again and mask like this. To be masking that like say like so. There you go. It should look like this. After that, guys, just go here and export again, guys. So this will just take some time, so be patient. It depends how long is your video you're making, guys. So just wait. Okay, after done this exporting, guys, I'm gonna go to the like third footage, guys. That third footage that we talk about is you can retrieve footages by your own. So go to this, I think say here. I say here, guys. So I'm gonna be cutting this scene. Then what I'm gonna do is to actually does a frame like this. Capture a screenshot of this let me see. Okay, let's capture a screenshot as playhead. After you done that, you need to make it as a PNG file, guys. Like say like, let's see, say like this photo right for here, guys. You have to do this in after you must go to eraser and just extract it. After you extract that, go to Adobe Photoshop Touch, and then you select what do you call that, guys? Go. Sorry, the camera was off, guys. So you after that, guys, you just go to Adobe Photoshop Touch. There's a link in down the description. You can download Adobe Photoshop and eraser. So after you had something like this, you make like Gaussian blur and what they call directional blur. Click in the effects and you got like this. So after you done that, guys, go back to your KineMaster app, guys, and wait. Cut this scene right over the same duration that I talk about. Split that scene and I just capture it as playhead. Okay, captured it as playhead, guys. After you does play, need to reach it does that, guys, to match it. So I'm gonna be putting the same portal. Now this is gonna be more advanced, guys. Go here. And I'm gonna select portal red again. Let's see. Sorry if my tutorial is very bad, but it is okay, guys, for me. Because it's like a beginner's tutorial. After you done that, it should look like this. So let me just play the footage for you. As you can see, it doesn't match the portal, guys. So what should I do? Well, just save this one as frame, guys. Make sure it is as frame. So I'm gonna really crop this a little bit. And then mask again. This is just a square mask. Then just gonna mask it something like this. Just gonna mask it like halfway. So it looks like this. So I'm gonna be adding my PNG photo, guys. So this is my PNG photo. As you can see, it's really dark. Wait. Wait a minute. No, I mean right over here, guys. Wait a minute. It's really messed up. Make sure that miss. Actually, the cover with. So I'm gonna choose bring to front, and then you just simply animate. It's like so, like this. And this one is bring to front, so bring it to the front. This one send to back, and this one. So it looks like this, guys. I'm sorry, my tutorial's bad, guys. As you can see, I usually go down to the portal. So I'm gonna be back at exporting. I'm gonna be showing you the next scene that I'm gonna do. Okay, guys, I have done like exporting. So I export those two like After that, I have something like this, guys. Like these two footages right over here, guys. Wait. These are the exact two footages that I've edited. Like this to this. yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make that one, guys. So this is gonna be like a bit really hard, so this is not gonna be really simple, but you just actually like you animate again, guys, and then you just capture this frame, and then after that you got something like this. So yeah, I'm gonna be turning that into a video now. So that is it, guys. If you like this video or any of my other videos, I'm sorry if the tutorial is bad, but you can check the other channel's link. He has a really good tutorial, but he's an expert. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.